Hello, in this tutorial I want to show how we can publish joint state positions from MATLAB Simulink to ROS. For this matter, I have installed a virtual machine, VMware, and on Ubuntu 18 on it. As you see here, I have opened a terminal and I have started a ROS core here, and then here I want to show you I want to read a joint state topic from ROS. As you see right now, there is no publisher for this topic. I want to create a Simulink file to publish this joint states topic with, for example, 3 positions. For this reason, first of all, I need to start ROS in MATLAB. First of all, I have deleted all of them. Then here I will write like this. This IP is the IP of the virtual machine, as you can see here. At first, it is better to shut down the previous ROS and then ROS init. Okay, now the MATLAB also is connected to the ROS with this IP, which I mentioned above. So, now I want to create a new Simulink model. At the first, we have to change this parameter in model settings, in hardware implementation, and hardware board. Here we have to change it to robot operating system. And then OK. If you do this, after that you can see these parameters in simulation tab. ROS network and variable size, that they are important for us to publish the message to settings the parameters. Then we need a good example to take some blocks from there. For that, you have to search this one. Work with ROS message in Simulink. If you copy it in help of the MATLAB, then the first one is this page. You have to open this model. If you click on it and your MATLAB path was another path, you need to go to this path. If you change the MATLAB current folder, then you can see these blocks and you can open it. You see there are many examples for publishing ROS message. We need this one right now. Work with strings and string arrays. This one is for string and this one is for string arrays. I want to copy this block to my new. Also, we need this one. As you see, it is JointState. But if you run this example here, just is published some names which is defined in this file. But we want here to publish the positions of the joint states. As you see in joint state message, we can publish velocity, position, and effort, and also names. The example of the MATLAB is just publishing the names, but here we want to show how we can publish the positions. Then we need such block is boss assignment. You can find it in library browser. This one. I try to do all of them from scratch. Then we need to connect this message to boss assignment. This block is creating a blank message. Here we change something and then connect it to boss assignment. And the final step is joint state publisher that you can also find it here. For example, ROS toolbox in ROS. And you can find a publisher, yeah, this one. But you have to change the topic from here. You can find it from your network. For example, now I have a joint state subscriber. I can change it. Select it from here, or you can choose specify your own and find this one, sensor message, joint state. Now the most important part is here to publish the positions from here. In this block, as one of the examples of the MATLAB, you can change these parameters. For example, first, second, third. Okay, then we need to define the number of position which we want to publish. As I did before in my examples, we have to add these ones. Message.position SL-info current length, and this one is the length of the positions with which we want to publish. For example, 3 positions, 4 or 5 or any other numbers. I will copy these ones and add it here. It is very important part. I can close it. We don't need it again. Okay, here we did some changes. After that, we have to change in these parameters here, variable size message. If you click on it, then you can find this joint state and then uncheck these ones and change these parameters. This one, 128 is the default number for position. We want to change it to 3 and click OK. Okay. Now we can update model. I try to run it for one time. And we see this error. To solve this issue, as it is written here, we need to change this part of the boss message. For this reason, we need to click on Edit Data and then find Message and change the previous name to the new one. This name is according to the name of the new file which is created here, for example, untitled. Here we change it to untitled and then apply it and close it. Then you see, if I run this file, the previous error has been removed. Now I want to find the position and change the positions from here, and I remove this one, click OK. Now I need just a simple block with 3 numbers which I created before. I will paste it and you can find it easily. It's a constant block, and I just changed some numbers here. For example, I write these numbers and click OK. Then I try to run it again. Yeah, it has been run, and you see in the ROS it is published with these 3 numbers. And if you change the time to in and run it again, then you can see it is publishing. For example, now I can change the numbers online, for example 54, and change it to 63 and 12 to 92, for example, and you see the numbers have been changed. That's it. Thank you so much.